Airbnb review, usage experience. Welcome to my review of Airbnb, the platform designed to connect travelers with unique stays and local experiences worldwide. Whether you're looking for a cozy cabin in the woods, a luxury penthouse in the city, or even just a spare room to crash in, Airbnb has revolutionized how we find accommodation. With millions of listings in over 220 countries, it's tailored for solo travelers, families, business professionals, and adventure seekers alike. The booking process is straightforward. Simply search by destination, dates, and filters like price range, amenities, and property type. I found the search engine highly intuitive and the options diverse, ranging from budget-friendly to extravagant. Each listing provides detailed descriptions, high-quality photos, and reviews from previous guests, critical for making informed decisions. Once you select a property, communication with the host is seamless through the in-app messaging feature. During my experience, hosts were responsive, providing essential details like check-in instructions and local recommendations. The app also offers robust safety measures, including verified IDs for hosts and guests, and a secure payment system. I appreciated Airbnb's flexibility, with many listings offering free cancellations up to a certain point, a big plus in unpredictable times. One standout feature is Airbnb Experiences, which allows you to book unique activities hosted by locals. From cooking classes to guided hikes, these experiences add a personal touch to your trip. It's perfect for immersing yourself in the culture of your destination. While my overall experience was positive, there are some caveats. Service fees and cleaning charges can add up, so double-check the total cost before booking. Additionally, the quality of the stay largely depends on the host, so I recommend prioritizing listings with plenty of recent, positive reviews. Airbnb excels in offering something for every traveler, blending convenience, affordability, and unique stays. It's an ideal choice if you prefer a more personal, homely vibe compared to standard hotels. With that said, always read the fine print, communicate with your host, and manage expectations for a smooth experience. If you've used Airbnb, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel insights.